This is Somerville Retirement Village. Somerville Pharmacy supplies all resident medications to Somerville Retirement Village. The resident medications delivered by the pharmacy are received by the registered nurses and include controlled drugs that by law must be placed in a locked safe or cabinet. During their medication rounds, clinical nurses Amy and Tim visit the resident rooms to administer residents their medications, including controlled drugs. Whenever nursing staff at Somerville, like Amy and Tim, handle resident-controlled drugs, they must keep a log of all transactions, which have traditionally been recorded in a paper register. Amy and Tim often complain of the significant time it takes to fill out these logbooks every day, and they can also be prone to errors and fraud. What if there was a better way to manage Somerville's controlled drug processes? Introducing DiamondCare, a controlled drug management platform specifically designed for aged care facilities. DiamondCare is a completely paperless platform that improves on the accuracy, efficiencies, and governance of traditional controlled drug registers. DiamondCare streamlines controlled drug admin tasks for all registered transactions, including administering to residents, receiving from the pharmacy, and regular stock checks. What's more, senior staff members have the ability to receive real-time alerting for various functions, so they can investigate discrepancies in real time. DiamondCare also allows administrators to set customised user functions for the different roles within the facility. DiamondCare is more than a controlled drug register. It's an intelligent platform with built-in functionality that also assists with controlled drug compliance to increase accuracy and reduce drug diversion, and stock refill management, allowing the pharmacy to view Somerville's stock levels and replenish resident stock medications running low. DiamondCare also has advanced reporting capability, so you can filter, save or print reports for any type of data you require. If you'd like to know more about DiamondCare or view a demo of the platform, please contact Modeus. Modeus, innovative e-health.